Hello guys, welcome back. So now we are going to create the Riders app. So let's close our users app, close project, and now click on new Flutter project and then click next. Here we have to write the name of our project, which is riders_app, and in the description we can say this is Riders app, and then the organization, here you have to write your name, com.Muhammad Ali. Now unchecked, only check the Android iOS, and then let's click on create. So our project has been created successfully. Now the first thing that we will do, as you know, we have to go to the pubspec.yaml, and in here we have to include the assets. So what we need to do is, I will provide these images. Download these. Once you download it, then simply copy it and come back to your project. Right click on Riders app, new directory. You will give it name as images. Then right click on images, then click paste, click OK. And if you expand this, you will see these are the images we have. So we include that inside our pubspec.yaml. Then open Visual Studio Code, and then we are going to open up the folder, which simply means we are open up the sellers app. So open up the sellers app, because from there we need the dependencies, which is go to the pubspec.yaml, copy these dependencies, and let's quickly paste that in here. We must follow the proper indentation, that is no space forward, no space backward. Now once you do this, click on pubget in order to install these dependencies in our Flutter project. So it has been added successfully, as you can see. Now we need to connect our project with Firebase. So for that purpose, first of all, we have to go to the Android app build.gradle. We have to make sure that minimum SDK version will be 24, greater than 24, and then from the sellers app, go app build.gradle and copy this line of code, which we have to add here. Then go to the project level build.gradle. From here we have to copy this and add it to the project level build.gradle. So we can add that here. Now once you do this, next thing is simple, that is to add the Google services.json file inside the app folder. So for that purpose, go to your Firebase console, click this gear icon, project settings, and then in here click on this add app, Android, and the ID, which is application ID, it will be Riders app. So copy this, come back here, simply paste that here. This is our Riders app. Then click on register app. Now before downloading, you have to make sure that if you have the old Google services.json file in your downloads, then delete it. Okay, so now let's download this new one, which is for the Riders app. You know that this one is for the Riders app. So if you go to downloads folder, here it is. Copy this, go back to the project and right click on app, then click paste and click OK. So inside the app we have Google services.json for the Riders app. And now of course, if you want, you can delete it from your downloads. Okay, now our project Riders app is connected with the Firebase.